Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Charge and Wi-Fi are simple but necessary. Once ready, access settings and go straight to accessibility. This is where Talkback lives. If Talkback already responds, use the volume key shortcut to toggle it. This saves time. If it's off, you'll tap accessibility, then Talkback to enable. Make sure you have screen interaction permission granted when prompted, as that's required. Once you grant permission, Talkback will initialize and announce status, so you know the service is active. Now you'll refine settings so Talkback works predictably. Navigate to Talkback settings and adjust speech rate and verbosity. Slower speech helps during troubleshooting, then increase as you get comfortable. Make sure gestures are enabled and review the gesture tutorial to confirm two-finger scrolling and single-tap behaviors. Check input methods if you use Braille or keyboard. Also confirm permissions for notifications and storage. Missing permissions can break features. Once done, restart Talkback to apply changes and test navigation. Finish by rebooting the device and testing Talkback across apps like Settings, Messages, and Chrome. This verifies system-wide behavior. If issues persist, check for system or Play Store updates. Older software often causes conflicts. Once updated, clear Talkback app cache and data, or reset accessibility settings to defaults. This resolves corrupted configs. If still broken, toggle Talkback off, reboot, then re-enable. One key troubleshooting tip. Safe mode can reveal if a third-party app interferes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.